Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay kids, let's learn about electrical circuit. Do you know how many kinds of electrical circuit? There are series, parallel, and mixed circuit. Let's learn together. If there are 4 lamps and 2 switches in the class, when we press one of the switch off, the 2 lamps on the back are off. And when we press the switch on again, the lamp will turn on as before. Then, when we press the other off button, then the 2 lamps in front are off. And when we press the switch on again, the lamp will turn on as before. When both switches off are pressed together, our lamps are off. And when the 2 buttons are turned on together, our lamps are on. Why that can happen? Because there is parallel circuit and series circuit. Series circuit. Series circuit is a circuit that contains only one current path. The characteristic of series circuit. The first electric current that flows at various points in the circuit is equal in magnitude. And the second, the total obstacle are greater than the constituent obstacle. This total obstacle is called replacement barriers. And the third, the potential difference of series is the result of the sum between the potential differences in each resistor. The simple experiment series circuit. This is a general description of series circuit. We have to put the 2 lamps in the line in one current. Series circuit in mini lab. Arrange all components in rows or sequences. Connect the cable with the first lamp. Connect the cable with the second lamp. Connect the cable with the batteries. And you can see all lamps are on. If one of the lamps is turned off, the other lamps off. If one of the lamps is turned on, the other lamps come on. This happens because the series only has one path. Exercise. Look at the picture. In this picture, there is R1, R2, and voltage. If the R1 has value 4 ohms and R2 has value 6 ohm, the battery is 30 volts. How about currents flow in the circuit and the voltage are total equal to R1 plus R2. Voltage equal to I times R. So the current that flow is 3 amperes. How about F1? F1 equal to I times R1. And F2 equal to I times R2. So the total voltage is same in F1 and F2. Parallel circuit. Parallel circuit, it has more than one current path connect to a common voltage source. The characteristic of parallel circuit. First, each component is connected to the positive pole and negative pole of the voltage source. And the second, in parallel circuit, the current flowing in each branch is different. And the third, the total resistance becomes smaller than the resistance of each electric components because a branch is formed between the sources of the electric current. This is a general description of parallel circuit. We have to put the two lamps in parallel in different currents.
Parallel circuit mini lamp. Connect all electrical components in parallel or stacked. Connect the first lamp with the cable. Connect the cable with the second lamp. Connect the cable with the batteries. All lamps are on. If there is one branch broken, the other components will still function. Because there are still other branches that can be electrified and the undamaged component still has a connection with the two poles or the voltage. Look at the picture. There is two resistors R1 and R2 and 1 voltage. If the battery has 24 volts, the first resistor, the value is 6 ohm and the second resistor is 8 ohms. How can we calculate the current that flows through its resistor? For the first, we count I1 with the formula voltage equal to I1 times R1. And for count I2, we can use formula V equal to I2 times R2. And for the voltage is same because of parallel circuit. Combined circuit, arrangement of electrical device installed in series and in parallel. Combine series and parallel circuit into one circuit. Combining circuit in mini lab. Arrangement of electrical device installed in series and in parallel. Connect the cable with the first lamp in series circuit. Connect the cable with the second lamp in series circuit. Connect the cable with the third lamp in parallel circuit. Connect the cable with the batteries. Series circuit is dimmer than parallel circuit. If one of the lamps is turned off in a series circuit, then the lamp in the series will also off, while the lamps in the parallel circuit will remain on. And if one the lamp is turned off in parallel circuit, the other lamp will remain on. The lamps that are arranged in parallel are brighter than the electrical circuit arranged in series. This is because all components get the same voltage. Let's learn electromotive force and pins of voltage. Electromotive force. Electromotive force is the potential difference between the ends of a voltage source when it is not flowing electric current or in an open circuit. The pins of voltage. The potential difference between the ends of the voltage source when running an electrical current or in a closed circuit. Science investigate. Look at the picture. If the first switch is closed and the second switch is open, the voltmeter shows 6 volt. What is measured on the voltmeter? B. If the first switch is open and the second switch is closed, the voltmeter shows 5.6 volts. What is measured on the voltmeter? There is one voltage lamp and 2 switches, but the one of the switch is not connected. If the first switch is closed and the second switch is open, the voltmeter shows 6 volts. Then what is measured on the voltmeter is the electric force of the voltage source. And the second picture, if the switch 1 is open and the switch 2 is closed.
If the first switch is open and the second switch is closed, the voltmeter shows 5.6 volts. Then the measured voltmeter is the pin's voltage. Try to do this.
Determine the value of the pin's voltage between points A and E. All components in above circuit are arranged in series circuit so that the current flows in each component is the same. The current strength in the circuit can be determined by Kirchhoff's 2 law. The direction of the current is anticlockwise. We can use formula sigma E equal to I times R. Use the potential difference between point A and E. We can use the formula VAE equal to I times RAE. Thus, the pin's voltage between points A and E is 2 volts.
Thank you for watching.